Let's do it.
Let's make it in the final video. Today, we're going to tell you something most analytics companies won't. Once Zenlytic's running, it powers the hardest use cases of the largest companies in the world. But here's the open secret. For years, it's been really, really hard to set up.
It delays time to value. It's even scared off potential customers. I've personally been up at 2 a.m. helping customers set up their data model more times than I can count.
But today, that finally changes. We've turned that weakness into a strength. As of today, our AI Data Analyst Zoe can set herself up.
Let's go. It's 2026. You shouldn't have to learn some arcane YAML syntax or complex UI to set up your business logic. Your agent should be able to do that itself. Agents should learn and onboard themselves just like your best human employees do. Now to start, you connect to your data warehouse and select a few tables. You can ask it to add new context from anywhere. Let me choose a screenshot from a legacy BI tool and tell Zoe to follow that same logic. She'll identify the underlying business logic and even add new tables for me whenever they're necessary. Zoe's organized all of this business logic without me having to think about it. In just a couple minutes, she can reproduce my initial report from first principles, with all of this being added to your governed data model for reuse. With Zoe's self-learning ability, you can go from connecting a warehouse to working analytics in minutes.
Self-learning means that instead of grinding out a data model for 6 months, you can let Zoe onboard you in 59 minutes or less.
The analytics agent of the future doesn't get configured. It configures itself continuously. The knowledge it builds compounds as it rapidly becomes the most informed teammate in your company.
Oh, and we forgot. There's one more thing.
What's the point of self-learning if you can't try it yourself?
In the spirit of this new feature, we're launching full self-serve sign-up for teams of up to 10 people, right from the website. It's 2026. Nobody wants to talk to a salesperson.
Zoe Self-Learning is available now for all new and existing Zenlytic users. Try it yourself, like 100% yourself, at zenlytic.com.